Okay, so we're going to run a 14 gauge wire into here on a 15 amp breaker for a lighting circuit. So we will open our knockout up. So we'll put our Romex connector in here like this. So it's nice and snug in here. Okay, so I bring in just about as much as I'm going to need here. I'll bring this down so you can see it. Okay, I'll tighten my Romex connector up. Make sure my wire's in the center here. And without that lousy knife, I just praise God I don't have it. Instead of curse his name, I just praise God that I don't have it and do it the hard way. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to get my wire out of the jacket here. Okay, I get my conductors out of here. I'm going to remove all of my debris here. Take the flat side here, cut it down as flush as I can here. Get my paper and debris out. So now I will take my ground wire, push it back to this corner here like this, come up along the side here, and now I'm going to make my sharp bend where I'm going to come over to this bus bar here, and I'm going to cut it right here. And I'm going to go under the screw lug here. Okay, our ground wire is hooked up. We have our nice neat bend where it comes straight over to this terminal here. Now we'll take our white wire, we'll make our bend here, push it straight down into the corner here. I'll come up behind these wires here, and I'll make my bend right here where I'm going to come across, and I'm going to come over to the neutral bar. Okay, so on a main box you can have your neutrals and grounds together on the same bus bar, but in a sub panel you have to keep them separate. So I strip with my wire strippers here. I'm going to take a little more because I'm going into the neutral bar. If you look closely, you'll see the wire sizes. The larger the number, the heavier the wire. So we use 14 American wire gauge on 15 amps, 12 American wire gauge on 20 amps. Okay. So I want to make sure I don't get my insulation under the terminal lug there. Whoops, I'm in the wrong hole. Bring it down here. Okay, there it is. Okay, I made it nice and tight here. Okay, we got our wire straight down the corner here. Comes up nice and straight here, and we have our nice straight bend going in here. So we're going to take our 15 amp breaker here. You can see it says 15 here. That's our amperage rating. We put it in the box like this. And we'll make sure it's in the off position. And the black wire is one that goes on the breaker. So we're going to bring it up here. Okay, I bend it down. And I'm going to bend it over and bring it back. I'm going to bend it over here and I'm going to cut it right here. I'm going to strip, and I'm going to take just enough off so I have just a little bit of copper behind the pressure plate when I hook the terminal up on the I'm going to loosen my screw up here. I'm going to take my wire, it's off, and I'll put it under the pressure plate like that. Tighten my screw. Okay. Now I'll push our wire down again here in the corner. So that is how we put a 15 amp single pole breaker in for a 120 volt circuit here in the country I was born in. This happens to be a lighting circuit, and I'll bring the camera down and show you up close. So this is the breaker I just put in. So that is how to put a single pole breaker into a panel box and connect it to the 14 American wire gauge we use on a 15 amp circuit for lighting here in the country I was born in. This is a square D homeline panel. In the main box, you can have your grounds and neutrals on the same bus bar, but in a sub panel, you have to keep your neutrals and grounds separate. Peace. Thanks for watching.